How to buy Penguin Tariff token. So this token came under the symbol of PT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on about this token, make sure to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there on X. They have 239 members there. As you can see, this token is available on Dick Screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending number 2 in this Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. So click here to check out the token address and open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, you can click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it and click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now to select a provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example. Now click on apply, go back and click here on stop, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy PT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.